Hi friend, this is the rate I old monk, and today we are with the Samsung Galaxy A50. The smartphone is announced in MWC 2019, and we got the device. What we were talking about in the device is the unboxing of the device. Also, we will show you how the camera works and some of the features of Samsung Galaxy A50. So let's start the video. Here we have the box of Samsung Galaxy A50, and in the box it is written this is a black color variant, and Samsung Galaxy A50, the price what is written on the box is 21,000. It will be definitely a little bit cheaper, maybe a 20,000 device, but still not known. And at the back what it is written is it is coming with the Infinity U display, triple camera, on screen fingerprint display, and there is a 4GB VoLTE octa-core processor. It comes with a 6.4-inch full HD plus display, and also at the same time it has a triple rear camera, 25 plus 5 plus 8 megapixel, 25 megapixel camera in the front, dual SIM setup, and also it comes with the 64GB and 4GB variant. This is the 64GB internal storage and 4GB is the RAM coming with the device. This is the black color variant. Let me open the device and show you what comes inside the box. Now talking about the device, the Samsung Galaxy A50 comes with the IP68 rating, which means that it is a waterproof and dust resistant. Here you can see there is a quick start guide, there is regional lock guide, there is a warranty card, and the silicone back cover. This is what we are getting inside the small box, and Samsung has done the packaging very smartly. Here is the device. This is a black color. Definitely it comes with a 3D glass stick design, what Samsung is calling it. It is a plastic at the back, but it definitely doesn't look a black color one. Here you can see the Samsung Galaxy A50. It starts get booted, where we have a fast charger. You can pause the video and check the rating of the charger. At the same time, here you can see it comes with the Type-C of charging port. So that is the advantage. It comes also with the earphones. These are the earphones, which are the normal earphones. You don't see any extraordinary in the earphones, and there is also a SIM card ejector tool in the box. Now talking about the device looks pretty much gorgeous. Here you can see in the top, in the notch section, there is a LED light glowing up. We will talk about this later. It comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display. It is a Super AMOLED screen, definitely one of the brightest screen available. There is a power button, volume rocker key in the back. It has a 25 megapixel camera setup plus 5, which is a depth sensor, 8 megapixel, which is a ultra wide angle. LED flashes there. There is Samsung branding, and this is a black color, but definitely doesn't feel like that. In the bottom you are getting a Type-C port, speaker grills, and also the 3.5mm jack is present in the device. Now talking about the slot, we are getting a 3 dedicated slot, which has 2 nano SIM card slot and 1 micro SD card slot. The micro SD card slot is expandable up to 512GB. In the top you are also getting a noise cancellation mic. So the device looks pretty much good, premium. It has a glass kind of finish at the back. It comes with the on-display fingerprint sensor. It has a 4000 mAh battery in the device. 25 megapixel is the front camera, which we will talk about it later. The device also has the face unlock. We have tried and tested in the lowest and the darkest condition, and it unlocks very smoothly. Definitely there is no lag or hang while unlocking the device. And also you can see that the on-display fingerprint sensor works very smoothly and charm. You can put multiple fingerprint sensor in that. This is not the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, this is the optic fingerprint sensor. Now talking about the camera app, in the camera app you get the scene optimizer. This is actually in kind of AI. Now talking of the other things, that the video resolution for the rear and the front end. Now here you can see you can record full HD video in different resolution. You can also record HD videos. Now talking about the front camera, here also you can record full HD videos. So definitely this is what you are getting with the 25 megapixel in the front. In the back also you are getting, there is a ultra wide angle camera, and also there is a depth sensor camera with a primary camera, which is a 25 megapixel camera. Here I will tell you one more thing. The 8 megapixel camera is the ultra wide angle, whereas the 5 megapixel camera is the general depth sensor camera what we see. Here are the modes what we are getting in the device. There is a panorama mode, pro mode, live focus mode, photo mode, video mode. There is also slow motion mode, and there is a hyperlapse mode, which is time lapse you can call it. And the photo mode, here you can see the ultra mode. Definitely there is some change, you can play it around while doing. This is the scene optimizer which you can change if you like to do. There are some AR stickers which you can play it around in the device. Talking about the device, we have tried and tested few features and we will tell it about later. Here we got the filters in the device. There is the screen resolution which you can change according to your need, and different resolutions are there. There is a timer, there is also a flash which you can switch off and switch on. And in this device I have already put on the SDR mode. This is the AR emoji mode which you can try and play it. You can also download few things from the store. This is the Bixby Vision, which is actually a kind of Google Lens. It tries to scan everything and after that it will tell you that where you can purchase it or not. So I will show you after installing. Let's start it and let's Bixby Vision here, and let me put some allow buttons and let's do the shoot this Android and try to check it out. Here you can see it can scan directly, and after scanning it shows you that it is an Android, and after that it will take you where you can find that and where are the similar results will be offered here. So this is how you will get the Bixby Vision useful. There's Bixby already preloaded in the device. We haven't done the setup yet. There's also a flash while taking this Bixby Vision. So this is what the camera is going to offer, and we have downloaded some of the AR stickers which you can play it and download from the store. We have captured some images using ultra wide and the bokeh. You can check it out in this video. Here is the device where we are getting the Bixby Home, and we have to install it. We haven't installed or done the settings yet, configured it with the social media. So this is what you can do it around, but it will require the internet to do the searches. So here you can see a number of cards will pop up, and if you have a social media linked up, it will be very easy to pull out the things for you. But we haven't tried and tested it yet, but I am skipping this part of Bixby and will let you know later how it works. But going to the other things of the setting in the device, first also will tell you about the preloaded software. There are some preloaded software like LinkedIn, Facebook given in the device. Going to the lock screen, what you are getting in the lock screen, there are three types of lock screen which you can go. First is the normal one which you have the swipe, pattern, pin, passcode, and also the fingerprint which you can use it, and there is a face unlock also coming in the device. So that is an advantage benefit. And after the lock screen, there is also always on display which you can put it and configure according to your need. And always on display will also give you few features that you want a music, today's schedule, next or not, what are the widgets you want in it. So this is also a great feature what Samsung is offering. Here you can see the always on display on the left side. Now we will go directly to the other settings of the device. Now going to the main settings, what we are getting in the device is the device comes with the One UI 1.1. Here it is loaded with Android 9.0, which is a Pie, and this is a 4GB 64GB variant. So you are getting a 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, which can be expandable up to 512GB. And also at the same time you are getting the digital well-being in the device. There are many things which you can check it out. It has a Wake Bixby, and it also comes with a game tool, which is also an interesting feature which we will put in the PUBG gaming video. You can check the link in the description section below. There is a game launcher and what it will do or not. There is also a dark mode. I have tried and tested in it. It works very smooth and easily, but we will put that in the video in the next section. Now talking about the device, we didn't find any notification light, but once you put in the charger, here you can see the fast charging, and also at the same time you can see a semi-circular rounded circle which lets you know that it has started charging. So it supports fast charging. We haven't tried and tested how much time it will take to charge the 4000 milliampere battery. But this is all we are getting with the Samsung Galaxy A50. The box pricing is 21,000, which we still don't know what is the MRP price it is going to be sale and in which platform it will be coming. Most probably what we know, it will be going through the offline market chain. So this is all about Samsung Galaxy A50 unboxing. This is @ IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.